Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a update on my balcony garden. This is my squash. It's really growing really good. There are my beets and another one of my squash that's doing really good also. But check this out. Y'all know I love my Yukon Golds, and look at them. Look at how they are blossoming. Okay, what's next? Okay, here we go. This is another squash and my basil and habanero peppers and green peppers. They're doing good. This is just random. It's like a couple things my grandkids gave me for Mother's Day. My pineapple. My beans are looking a little sad though. I don't know what's going on with them. I do have a couple of beans in there, but they are still looking a little sad. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, see what's going on with them. Yeah, if anybody has any help, just hit me up in my comments and let me know what I could do. This is one of my blueberry plants. It's still just blueberrying, not really doing a whole bunch, but I guess I don't think I'll get any blueberries this year, but at least I've started them. Let's see, there are look like some new. Yeah, there's a couple little sprouts on there. Let's see. This is my other blueberry plant. This is the newer one, which looks like it's doing really good. Better than the other one, looks like. See some new leaves on there. It's a really, really windy day, so yeah. See, there's some more sprouts on there too, so that one's doing really good. My strawberries are really, really blossoming. Check it out, all those little berries coming in. And if you know strawberries, you know that the flowers are what become the berries. So yeah, there's flowers everywhere. There are a lot of berries coming out. I think I have a couple of red ones on there already too. And there's my other Yukon Gold doing really good. Can't wait to get those. I think I may have a couple more months before those are ready to harvest. My cabbage is really doing good too. I have 2 cabbage, and that was just a trial in a bucket. I don't even know what, a cheese bucket or something. I don't know what kind of bucket it is, but it's a small one. I just wanted to try and see if that would work, and it looks like it is. This is my Roma tomato, which is doing really good also. I think there's a couple flowers on there. That is just a random plant. I don't know what that is. I think it's a flower. Don't know what it is, but it's growing. There's my bok choy that looks really, really good. All the way around, that one is bok choy, and those are the Dollar Tree stackables. So yeah, bok choy is looking good. Let's see what's coming up here. Let me see, this is, my cilantro. That right there in the middle, there's a cilantro. And in the middle are collards, and that's another cilantro. Yeah, the ones on the sides are cilantro. The one in the middle is collards. And those there are collards. I think the second tier, those are all collards. Yep. And then the bottom are just flowers, some type of flower seeds that I planted, because I heard you're supposed to plant flowers in the garden too for pollination or something. So yeah, here's the plants that my grandson gave me again. Well, both my grandsons gave me. And that's the one they gave me, that one too. And that's my cantaloupe that's still going. There's the other one they gave me. So that's looking good. And yeah, just a quick overview again, that everything that's really look like it's growing good. My squash again. And I don't even know how to grow squash. I just threw it in there hoping it would grow, and it is. So yeah. And these were all started from seed too, except the potatoes. I got those little starter potatoes that you get at, I think I got them at Lowe's, I think. I forgot what they're called, but they're just little starter potatoes. All of that was grown from seed. All the peppers and basil was all grown from seed. The beans were grown from seed. Yeah, they're looking a little sad. Sad beans. These two I purchased. I bought those at Lowe's. The 2 blueberry plants. Yeah. Oh, there's some more on there. Yeah. Yeah, I bought those both at Lowe's. So hopefully, if I don't get anything this year, I'll get something next year, because they'll die back, but they'll come back. Strawberries, I purchased those at Lowe's also. So, well, take that back. Some of them I purchased from Lowe's, and I think maybe 5 of them I got as starters in those little packets. But yeah, the collards were from Menards. The aroma was from seed. Yep, and the bok choys were all from seed also, and all the flowers were from seed. So yeah, I don't really have a green thumb, but I guess I can do as much as I need to. I'm looking at that spider right there. I'm allergic to spiders, and they seem to be everywhere in my garden. So yeah, and I'm gonna get out here and add some more soil to a lot of these too, because I need to top off their soil. And those are all just flowers down there. I don't even remember what kind. I just know I had some flower seeds that I picked up, and I threw them in there and they grew. So yeah, my cilantro and collards, my random pot with my pineapple that's still going. That came off of the top of an actual pineapple that I bought at the store. So I just want to see what that'll do. My onion, my grandkids plant, and that's another strawberry. That one came from the starter strawberry pack that you buy at Walmart or something. I forgot what they're called, but yeah. And I end right there. Check out my other videos and come back for more balcony updates.